Hey logophiles, welcome to our channel, A Word a Day. Poor diet can dash your health. What would you fit in this blank? Most of you would choose the word effect. Poor diet can affect your health. But a word a day followers cannot be so boring. You can instead use geoparadise. Geoparadise, which is the word of the day. The meaning of the word is expose to danger or risk. The examples are his foolish decisions can jeopardize his future endeavors. This may jeopardize further chances of employment. Thank you so much for watching our video. And thank you so much for helping us hit 100 subscribers. Stay tuned for daily dose of English. Bye bye.